I was like, I don't know how to deal with this, so I'm just going to lock it away. And it got to a point where it was like, something's got to give. You get to a point where you're like, how did I end up here? How did I get from like this joyful little kid that I do recall that would run around and, and have fun and just be like, what are we doing next? To basically somebody who's looking at a kid the same age and not even wanting to be here anymore. With my child, like there was abuse in my childhood and quite a lot of it, and a lot of different things growing up that I just locked away. It was like, I was like, I don't know how to deal with this, so I'm just going to lock it away. And it got to a point where it was like, something's got to give. And the thing is that like now I'm so grateful for it, and I'm so grateful for the life that I've had and the people that I've had in my life, because it's like I get to, in facilitating now, it's like I can draw upon so much with, hey, I get it. I get we live in a world right now where it's like it could be a lot greater, and I get we live in a world right now where people aren't necessarily as kind as they could be, and but we've all learned from somewhere. And the way I see it is, if there's enough of us now who go, you know what, it's time to have something different, then we get to have a different world.
Please share away. Thank you so much. Stay inspired to evolve.